Things you didn't know you could make with Canva, Part 85.
There is a new way to make your own custom Canva frames, and it's pretty amazing. I've shared several ways to make Canva frames, both inside Canva and with some third-party tools, but this next method is my new favorite. Place an image on your page. Cutouts and graphics work best for this. Then go to the Apps section and look for Frame Maker. I've talked about this one before when creating text frames, but if you look to the right, there's this option called Convert. Full disclosure, this option is a Canva Pro feature. You can create a frame or a mask. It tells you what the differences are and the results that you would get between a frame or a mask. I'm going to use the Frames option and then click Continue. It gives you additional instructions for the best possible output, like making sure you have a transparent background and to possibly enlarge the size of your design. Down here at the bottom, under Frame Detection, you can change the entire design by color or by a transparency within that design. I'll show you each method. We're going to do the entire design first. That's this right here. And then click Convert Design. I'm going to give it a transparent background. I'm going to increase the size, and I will select just the page that I am working on. And then click Done. You'll click Export, and it will convert that image to a frame. And there is the new frame from our image, that cutout right there. Then you can place an image or a video inside that frame, just like any other frame in Canva. You can also convert by a certain color. So I want to convert this lighter green right here. So I will go back to the app, and instead of entire design, select by color. You'll have a color option, and then you pick one of the colors that are in your design. And then click Convert. And once again, choose transparent background, bring up the size, and select only the page that you need. And click Export. Here is the new frame that converted only that one color of the design. Finally, you can make a frame from the transparent sections of your design. So just these inner sections here that you see in this flower. Go over to Frame Maker, and instead of by color, choose by transparency. Click Convert. Once again, transparent background, size, select the page, and export. Now, only the center section of that design was turned into a frame. I can delete this portion, and then I can fill this with anything else I would like. There's that new frame. This is such a fun way to create custom frames from cutouts or graphics. You can even combine graphics and words, use your own photo and create fun silhouette frames, even your logo. Tell me down in the comments below, what do you think of this new frames method?